The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Lower the glove box. Pinch the tabs of the filter housing and pull outwards to remove it. Insert your new filter into the housing with the arrow pointing up. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.